Is $20 a bag of coffee crime against espresso? Or is it the smart move you make this month? Look, I love local roasters, and supporting the local businesses is a huge deal for me. And for those truly special tasting notes, local is the way to go. But let's be real, $25 a bag of 8-ounce coffee beans? I can't afford to practice my dialing in or working on my latte art every morning when I make coffee for $25 a bag. That's why I buy this Kirkland's Organic Peru coffee from Costco. Today I'm going to show you using a daily driver like this actually is the key to become a better home barista. It allows me to be courageous, to fail, to experiment, and to learn my DF54 and Breville Bambino inside out, all for about less than 20 cents a shot. Does it taste as good as the local roaster's coffee? Well, let's go ahead and open this up, check out the beans, after that grind some beans and pull a shot, see how it's gonna taste. I've been following this organic coffee series from Costco for quite a bit now. This is the Peru. It's from a region called Cajamarca, and it's from Northern Andes. If you look at it, it says Cajamarca department on the coffee itself. This is a medium roast coffee, 907 grams, 2 pounds of coffee, about 32 ounce, which is a really good size. And something like this lasts me around a month and a week, month and a half, about 5 to 6 weeks, which is really good. Let's see what else it says on it. These coffee beans are sourced in small lots from farmers, estates, and cooperatives from across the world. A sample of each bag is roasted and brewed before final production to ensure that it meets quality specifications. So let's go ahead and open the bag. It smells incredible already. I can smell it right outside the bag. Notes should be milk chocolate, vanilla, and apple, and it should be a soft body coffee. I'm really curious about this one. And see what the beans look like. Oh my God, smells incredibly good, you guys. So it's clearly a medium roast of beans, nice color. Not too dark, not too light, perfect. Let me tell you what I do with the coffee beans when I first get a coffee bag. This is a habit I formed from my great granddad. I always put a couple of them in my mouth and chew it. And they're crunchy and really like dissolve in your mouth nice. That means they're fairly good, roasted, and fresh. Hey, it's coming from a man from another generation, but hey, I like doing it. It's something I inherited from my granddad. Personally, I prefer medium roast coffees over dark or light roast because most of the time they're the best drinking as an espresso or making lattes, cappuccinos. I just like the medium. It's pretty much the safe bet of coffee. Let's go ahead and grind some and pull a shot. $17 grams of beans, slow pour. I always recommend to hot start and slow pour, you guys. I got my 18 grams IMS competition basket in here. Let's go ahead and put our dosing funnel, flip it over. Little puck prep. Tamp it, pop it in, portafilter. I'm gonna do some pre-infusion, and plan is to pull 34 to 36 grams of a shot. Think I can grind a little coarser than this, but I'm fairly close. We're at 27 seconds. Here we are, 28 seconds, 37 grams. All right, let's go ahead and check out the shot. Let's go ahead and look at the puck. Here's the puck. It's little on the softer side, but it's typical of Bambino since Bambinos don't come with the three-way solenoid. Steam some milk. So coffee still looks nice. There we go. It's not the best, but I made it. It's my best. So let's go ahead and try it out. Oh boy, tastes delicious. Well, you guys, for $17.99, you can have a cup of coffee like this every morning and enjoy it without breaking the bank. A coffee like this is a great option to practice grinding, tasting different flavors, as well as experimenting with different coffee choices, coffee styles, you know, espressos, lattes, cappuccinos, you name it. And on top of it, you can work on your latte art. It's about 20 cents a shot. It's definitely worth it. At the meantime, as you get better at it, you can always go ahead and buy that $25 bags, 8-ounce bags or 10-ounce bags, whatever they're selling in your local roaster. You can enjoy that with your loved ones at your leisure time. Hey, if you got so much money, so much disposable income, be my guest. Go ahead and work with those coffees. But for someone like me, I think this is a great choice. This bag of coffee is $17.99 at Costco. So if you have a Costco membership, go ahead and take advantage of this. And if you buy it from Amazon, believe it or not, $34.99. It's unbelievable. I'm gonna go ahead and have the link for this from Amazon. However, if you have a Costco membership, you can get it half a price from Costco. So I don't recommend you to buy from Amazon, but if you're really curious about this, 2 pounds of coffee on Amazon is $34.99, so you can give it a shot. Also, I want to let you know I'm on the way to 1,000 subscribers by June. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. And if you find this content interesting, please go ahead and share it with another coffee lover. And don't forget to like it. Again, thank you so much for watching Teo Steak. I'll see you on the next bag of coffee. Have yourselves a delicious day.